but it basically makes slushy hail, but very consistent slushy hail. Because the hardest thing to do, the hardest thing that I've discovered in having a hail cannon is having consistent hail. I'm about 4 iterations in my own silicone molds and how to freeze the hail to have it be as clear and as perfect as possible without any inclusions and things. I've gotten pretty good at it, but that isn't a very good representation of real hail either. It's just some way of having control. You want as many controls as you possibly can. But these guys have figured out with a machine how to make a controlled slushy hail ball. I think that my guess is, if anybody from IBHS is watching this, or if you know someone from IBHS, you're friends with them, please share this episode with them, because my question to them is this. Do you just have a slushy machine in the back that you're making big ice balls like snowballs with? Is that what you're doing? Is that how you make that? I want to know, because I'll buy an icy machine. I'll do that.